The Honeywell Decor wireless door chime features a clean curve and simple line design for a timeless look with a 450-foot range. The wireless chime uses a self-learning code system that automatically adjusts to eliminate interference and comes equipped with 6 CD-quality chimes with adjustable volume. Running on only batteries, no wiring is required, making setup a breeze, and the door chime works with up to 6 transmitters, including push buttons, motion detectors, and more. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.